I blanked that question many times. Am asking, had asked, have asked, will have asked. Hindi ka pwedeng magsagot ng am asking kasi wala namang right now dito or any word na magi-imply na ngayon mismo in progress or nangyayari yung pagtatanong mo. Kasi sabi nga, many times, ibig sabihin, natanong na dati. Now, pwede ka bang mag-had asked? This is past perfect. Ibig sabihin, prior to past. Nangyari ba itong pagtatanong mo before another past action? Wala namang nakalagay dyan na isa pang past action. Isa lang naman yung action natin dito. So, hindi pwede yung past perfect. Now, yung have asked, pwede ba? Ito ang pupwede. This is in present perfect, prior to present, bago ngayon. Natanong mo na siya ng maraming beses. Wala kang nilagay dito na past time indicator, eksaktong time kung kailan naganap yung pagtatanong mo. Basta ang mahalaga, masabi mo na natanong mo na siya before, prior to now. Okay? Prior to present. Kaya tayo nag-present perfect. Again, ang formula ng present perfect is has or have plus past participle. So, since meron tayong I as a subject, gumamit tayo ng have. Itong will have asked, mali rin yan kasi wala naman tayong kahit anong futurity dito.